we're here today to go over with the review sheet for quiz number 2. Absolute value of k equals 1, just split them in 2 because there's nothing inside or outside beside from the variable. K is equal to 1, always copy the question, and the other one will be negative. Circle or box your answer, kaboom. Here it's negative. If you notice it's negative, there's nothing you can do, so the answer here should be no solution. Always, if there's an absolute value is equal to a negative number, it's always going to be no solution, right? Here, again, the absolute value is isolated, split them into 2. X over 6 is equal to 4. X over 6 is equal to negative 4. Basic solving of equation, you multiply each side by 6, 6, 6, 6. This eliminate, that's why you would like to multiply them all by 6. X equal to 4 times 6 is 24. Box or circle your answer. The other one, this will be eliminated. X equal to negative 24. Zero, will it always like the same digit but different sign? No, not true at all times. Look at number 4 here. Split them into 2. X plus 4 is equal to 6. The other one is x plus 4 is equal to negative 6. Minus 4, x equal to 2. Minus 4, x equal to negative 10. If you notice here, we have an answer with 2 different digits. So it doesn't mean that they're always going to have the same number like number 3 and opposite sign. Next, number 5 here. Split them into 2. Negative 5n minus 10 is equal to 20. The other one is negative 5n minus 10 is equal to negative 20. You're going to add 10, add 10, add 10, add 10 to solve for the n. Drop the negative 5n is equal to 30. Divide by negative 5. The value of n is negative 6. Negative 5n is equal to negative 10. Divide by negative 5, n is equal to positive 2. Simple, kaboom. You can split them into 2, although what do you see right here? The absolute value is isolated, but this is negative, so the answer here should be no solution. 7. Oh, Mr. O, that's no solution because it's negative 4. That's wrong. You have to isolate first the absolute value. How do I do that one here? I see a negative 5 being added to the absolute value, so I need to add 5 here, add 5 there. So that leaves us negative 2 plus x. What's negative 4 plus 5? Positive 1. Now you can split them into 2. Negative 2 plus x, always copy the question without the absolute value. And the other one is negative 2 plus x is equal to the opposite sign of the number. Solve for the value of x, add 2 here, add 2 there. That leaves us x equal to 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 2 also here, plus 2 also there. That gives us x equal to positive 1. Kaboom. Here, oh, Mr. O, that's negative, so it's no solution. Again, let me repeat, you have to solve for the absolute value. I see a negative 7 right here, so I need to divide this by negative 7, negative 7. Some student will add 7 there. Don't do that one because the operation between absolute value and the negative 7 is multiplication, and the opposite of multiplication is division. You eliminate this one here because you're dividing the same number. That leaves the absolute value of 2n is equal to positive 10. That's the only time you're going to split them into 2. 2n is equal to 10. 2n is equal to negative 10. Divide this by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. And here is equal to 5. And here is equal to negative 5. Box or circle your answer. Answer all the time. And say kaboom. Number 9. Oh, Mr. O, that's negative because no solution. Let's see. Don't speculate things, but at least your idea, if this remains negative after I isolate the absolute value, it will be a no solution. But let's see first. Add 9, add 9. Cancel this out. 7 absolute value of negative 9m is equal to, what's negative 9 plus 9? Cancel out. If it's canceled out, that means it's equal to 0. And then what do you do next? Divide this by 7, divide by 7. Eliminate this. Absolute value of negative 9m is equal to 0. 0 is not a positive, 0 is not negative. So just leave it. Negative 9m is equal to 0. Divide by negative 9. Divide by negative 9. Cancel this one. M is equal to, what's 0 over negative 9? Boom. There's only one answer. If this kept to be 0, there's only one answer. Here, minus 6, negative 5, absolute value of b minus 7 is equal to 0. We divide this by negative 5. B minus 7 is equal to, again, what's 0 over a negative? It's still going to be 0. So b minus 7 is equal to 0. Add 7 on both sides. B is equal to 7. Kaboom. Very easy. minus 7 here. Absolute value 2n minus 9 is equal to 3. You should know that you split them into 2. 2n minus 9 is equal to 3. 2n minus 9 is equal to negative 3. You add 9 on each side of the equation. 2n is equal to 12. Divide by 2, divide by 2. N is equal to 6. 2n is equal to 6. Divide by 2, divide by 2. N equals 3, which is, I think, exactly the same thing as your bell work. Number 12 here, you add 10 first, you add 10. That gives you negative 4. 9x plus 9 is equal to negative 36. Divide this by what? Negative 4, negative 4. Absolute value of 9x plus 4 is equal to 9. Now, that's the only time you are going to split them into 2. 9x plus 4 is equal to 9. And 9x plus 4 is equal to negative 9. You subtract 4, 9x is equal to 5. Did I miss?
You changed that 9 to 4.
Oh, yeah, this is 9. Sorry, thank you, sir. This should be 9. That should be a 9, right, sir? Thank you so much. This should be plus 9 equals negative 9. And so this should be positive 9 here and positive 9 there. Thank you, sir. So 9 minus 9 is 0. Divide this by 9. The value of x here is equal to 0. Minus 9 minus 9. 9x equal to negative 18. Divide by 2x equal to negative 2. Divide by 9 is x equals negative 2. Thank you, Omar. So you get credit for the video. Minus 5 minus 5. 5 absolute value of 9b plus 10 is equal to 5. Divide this by 5. Divide by 5. Absolute value of 9b plus 10 is equal to 1 there. Now you can split them into 2. For number 14, plus 1 there. That will give you 6. Absolute value of 7m plus 7 is equal to negative 84. Divide by 6. Divide by 6. I don't know what's 84 over 6, but I know the answer here will be a negative number. Since that's going to be a negative with an isolated absolute value of 7m plus 7, cannot have a negative answer, so the answer here is no solution. I'm expecting you guys to finish number 13 on your own. Enjoy the remainder of the day, and good luck on your quiz. Kaboom!